Have you ever wondered how functional the 2023 Volvo V90 Cross Country is? Today we're going to find out. As we begin the video, I'd like to ask you guys to comment as you're watching. Let me know your thoughts of this video. Smash that thumbs up button, it tremendously helps the channel. Be sure to subscribe today so you don't miss any future videos just like this one. I'd also like to give a really big thanks and shout out to Younger Volvo of Hagerstown, Maryland for allowing me to come to their dealership and providing this Volvo V90 Cross Country to be filmed for you guys to see, and also so we can get to test how great the cargo capacity is in the new V90. If you own one of these Volvos, chances are you already know just how functional they are. But perhaps you're in the market to purchase one. Maybe you're just curious, how much stuff can you fit in a Volvo V90 Cross Country? I personally am a huge fan of wagon style vehicles. This is one of the nicest, sleekest wagons on the market today, in my opinion. It is so functional that you have the ability to haul pretty much anything that you could think of within reason. All this stuff right here is going to fit into this Volvo V90 without any issue at all. Being a father, one of the things that I think of first is how easy is it to put a car seat in and out of a vehicle, along with loading and unloading the stroller. Well, as we get started, let's open the back doors along with the hatch. We do have a power liftgate on the V90. In our pile of testing goodies here, you'll see that I have my personal car seat. Not my personal car seat, this is my daughter's car seat. What we're going to do is install this base, hook up the car seat, and show you just how easy it is to get in and out of the V90, and also give you an idea of where the hookups are. As you get into the vehicle, you notice that you have your car seat brackets on each side. What I'm gonna actually do for the video's sake is put the base in on the driver's side and fold this portion of the seat down, so we really can amplify just how great the cargo space truly is as we load up all of our stuff. As I begin, I'm gonna go ahead and put this driver's seat in my comfortable position as if I were driving the vehicle. We'll find our car seat hookups right here underneath these little clips there. Definitely want to make sure that this is nice and snug, and then give it a good pull once you have it strapped in. You can see that the seat is nice and firm, not going to go anywhere. Next, we want to take this seat belt right here, pull it through our car seat base, plug it into the seat belt buckle. Pull the seat belt out, and then let it retract so you have a really firm and secure car seat. And this is an infant car seat, works just fine for my little girl. Now, as we're getting in here to the Volvo V90, I'm noticing that this seat coming up like that, being in my position, it's making it slightly difficult for that to lock into place. So I'm gonna slide that back forward, and then you can hear it click right into place. Now I'll just put this right back. And now it's actually pressing against the seat slightly, and that is going to make it even more firm and secure with that seat being pushed against it. This seat is not going anywhere. Nice, firm, and secure in the Volvo V90. Let's go ahead and fold this seat back down. And if you just push that button right there forward, it will unlatch or unlock the cargo cover, making it really easy to pull out. Take our suitcases, put them like so. Got another one over here. And there we have two normal size suitcases. There is a little bit of an indentation right there, allowing for that suitcase to slide up into it further, maximizing that cargo capacity. The next thing I think of is your pet, if you have to bring a pet along with you on a road trip. This crate is my puppy's crate. Elvis is his name. He's a little Shih Tzu. My wife and I love Elvis, and from time to time, we do take him bye-bye on trips. So it is important that the vehicle we drive in can carry this crate. The Volvo V90 can do it just fine without any issues. It sits nice and secure up here right next to the car seat. What I would do in this case is actually turn it sideways. That way this door can open. It'll allow you to get your pet in and out of the vehicle without any issue. My wife is a fantastic musician. She plays piano beautifully and also violin. So the next thing that I think of, oftentimes her and I have to carry, is her musical instruments. Right here we have one violin, and then we have another violin. I like to carry car cleaning supplies with me in my personal car in case I have to wash the car at a location that's away from home. It's nice to have some cleaning supplies in an extra bucket. That's something I usually keep in my vehicle. Hey, let's say you had to go to the hardware store, get some light bulbs. You can fit those in there without any issue. They'll slide right over here on this suitcase. I keep this in my personal car as well as a bag full of tools and supplies in case we needed it somewhere. Not many people would say that they have to carry a stepladder in their car, but in which case you had to, V90's got you covered. It's always nice to have some extra washer fluid. Let's say you had to go to Lowe's or Home Depot to get some wood for a project. This is just one 2x4, but hey, V90 can handle it. Say you have to stop by the grocery store to get some ginger ale and some water. Well, you can also pack that in nice and snug without any problems. Everything is fitting with absolute ease. Now, one of our most important items, the stroller. Would you look at that? After a little bit of rearranging, I was able to finally fit that stroller in as well. We've got all of this stuff packed in nice and tight for our daily driving, our road trip, whatever we need to do in the V90. It's got you covered. That is amazing. There you have it, everyone. In case you didn't already know, today we were able to find out with this 2023 Volvo V90 Cross Country, it can handle anything you have to throw at it cargo-wise. Cargo capacity is very generous. It is a fantastic, functional family hauler. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. As I said in the beginning, rate this video, smash the thumbs up button, comment your thoughts before you go. Subscribe today so you don't miss any future videos just like this one. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time.